Hey everyone, it's Jenny. We were just coming out of negative 20 degrees and we got about 8 inches of snow the other day. So I'm actually outside checking on my Japanese maples and the critters that have been chewing on them. A couple of trees have been actually destroyed, which that really bums me out because I don't want to have to replace them, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. In this video, I'll show you how we're dealing with the issue by putting cages around the trees and see if hopefully that's working. After that, I'll just do a quick, short winter garden walk with no talking, just a quiet winter walk, enjoying the warmer weather we're having today. It definitely feels so much better than what we had. I'm still not exactly sure what is eating my young trees, but this definitely could have been prevented before winter set in. This is why I'm making this video, is early prevention. I think all of us gardeners learn from our own experience, and I hope this tip may be helpful if anyone is dealing with this issue. Short little walk through. It's very cold out today. Sorry about the wind noise. I haven't hooked my microphone up yet. We have got to do some work on the grass out here. All the leaves need to be cleaned up. I still need to cut back here. There's a lot to do. But what I'm taking you out here to see is something chewed on my new Japanese maples that I planted out here. I've gotten lucky with the ones I planted in the front yard. They were not chewed on at all, and I don't think it's deer. So let me show you what it looks like. Here's my little hydrangeas I planted last fall. I'm starting a new garden project out here. Sorry about my dog noise. She wants out. There's the yellow bark Japanese maple. Okay, here it is. It's kind of hard to see out here by the creek. This is my Indian summer Japanese maple. And if you look down here, something is chewing on the bark. I don't know if that is mice or rabbits, but I don't think that's deer. I'm not exactly sure. I put deer repellent and rabbit repellent down, but it's not helping. So we're gonna put cages up, and I'll show you what some of the other damage looks like. Here is another one of my baby Japanese maples. It got snapped in two. Something just came and ate it, just completely munched it right off. This was a freebie, thankfully. And over here, this was actually the amber ghost Japanese maple. And something chewed on the bark and just completely snapped it off. That was a nice sized tree. There's a couple more hydrangeas I planted over here. It's 19 degrees out right now with the wind chill of 10, I think. It's very cold. This is my snowball viburnum. It all looks good. There's the creek. There's a little bit of frozen water. Not bad though. I should have wore some gloves. Oh. There's my other Japanese maple that's getting chewed on. Rising Sun Japanese maple. Here's the little chew marks. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna see if this helps. We're putting, what are those called? Chicken wire?
Yep.
We're stapling it down so the wind doesn't blow it away, and critters don't run off with it. Look at how funny you are. Oh, there's your brother. He's really cute too. Louie. There's damage on this one too.